Hello student, welcome and very good morning to you. Today I will be discussing a DPP on force between multiple charges. This video will be extremely helpful to those students who are preparing for NEET, MET and advanced. I hope you will understand this video. Please write a comment on this video because this comment will be extremely helpful for me to make the next video for you. Okay, now let's start. Look at these two similar spheres having charge q and minus q are kept at a certain separation. A force act between them. Another similar sphere of plus q charge is kept in middle of them. It will experience a force in a magnitude and direction. Look at this. This is the this is the charges, this is the q and this is the minus q. Now the force of attraction between the two charges, this is the k q square by r square. No problem. Now another charge q is placed at the middle. Now this charge is repelled by this charge along this direction by the force. Look at this force F dash equals to, this is the kq square by r by 2 whole square. So look at this is the 4kq by r square. So this is the 4f. Now this charge also attracted by this. Now this charge also attracted by this charge by the force 4f. So here force 4f, this is the force 4f. So net force is acting 4f plus 4f, 8f directed towards the negative charge. Okay. Question number 2. Four charges are placed at the circumference of the dial of a clock as shown in the figure. Look at this. Here minus q charge at 9, plus q charge 12, plus q charge plus 3 or minus q charge at 6. Okay. Now look at this. If the clock has only hour hand, then the resultant force on a positive q naught charge placed at the center, we have to calculate force on q naught. Okay, now look at this. This q charge repel q naught along this direction. This minus q attract q naught along this direction. In the same way, this q repel q naught along this direction. And this minus q naught attracts q naught along this direction. So resultant force is directed along this direction. So look at this. This is the 7 and this is the 9. So this is the 7.30. So resultant force is directed along 7.30. Okay. Look at this. Question number 3. Two balls carrying charge 7 microcoulomb and minus 5 microcoulomb attract each other with the force F. So F equal to, this is the k into 7 into 5 by r square. If the charge minus 2 microcoulomb is added to both, look at this, if minus 2 microcoulomb is added with 7, the resulting charge becomes, this is the 5 microcoulomb. When minus 2 microcoulomb is added with minus 5 microcoulomb, the charge becomes 7 microcoulomb. Again force F dash, this is to k into 5 into 7 by r square. So look at this, F dash equal to F. Option 1 is correct. Question number 4. Two equal charges when placed 5 centimeter apart experience a repulsive force of 0.144 Newton. The magnitude of charge in microcoulomb will be. Now look at this. This is the 0.144 equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into microcoulomb. Look at this. This is the Q into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the Q into 10 to the power minus 6. Whole divide by, this is the 5 by 100 whole square. Okay, no problem. So look at this. This is the 9 into q square into 10 to the power minus 3 into 400. Okay. So look at this. This is the 3600. So this is the 36. So this is the 3.6 into q square. So look at this, q square equal to, this is the 0.144 divided by, look at this is the 3.6. So look at this is the 144 divided by 36000. So q equal to 12 by 60. That is 1 by 5 microcoulomb. Okay. Look at this, 1 by 5 microcoulomb means this is the 0.2 microcoulomb. Okay. Now question number 5. 2 point charges 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb repel each other with a force of 12 Newton. If each is given a additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb, then force will become, look at this, when minus 4 microcoulomb given to this, its charge becomes minus 2 microcoulomb. When 4 microcoulomb given to this, its charge becomes 2 microcoulomb. Okay. Now minus 2 microcoulomb and 2 microcoulomb attract with the force F dash. So look at this. This is the 2 into K by R square. Now this is the K into 2 into, this is the 6 by R square into 1 by 3. Look at this. This is the 12 Newton. So this is the 12 by 3. So this is the 4 Newton. So look at this. This is the 4 Newton attractive force acting between the two charges. Question number 6. The electric charge 1 microcoulomb, minus 1 microcoulomb and 2 microcoulomb are placed in air at a corner ABC respectively in an equilateral triangle ABC having length of each side is 10 centimeter. The resultant force on the charge at C. Now look at this. Now look at this. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Here charge is, this is the 1 microcoulomb. This is the minus 1 microcoulomb and this is the 2 microcoulomb. Now we have to calculate the force. Now we have to calculate the force on 2 microcoulomb. Now look at this. The 2 microcoulomb is repelled by 1 microcoulomb along this direction. And this is the 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by distance of separation 0.1 whole square. 0.1 whole square. So look at this. This is the 1.8 Newton. In the same way, the attractive force on this charge due to minus 1 microcoulomb is also 1.8 Newton. Now, angle between the two forces is 120 degree. So, resultant force is same of any one of them. Because we know if the angle between the two equal forces is 120 degree, resultant is equal to any one of them. So, resultant is 1.8 Newton. Okay. Now, question number 7. Equal charges Q are placed at the four corner ABCD of a square of length A. The magnitude of force on the charge at B will be. Okay. Look at this. This is a square. Okay. Look at this. Here charge Q, 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 Q. Okay. No problem. This is the A. This is the B. This is the C. This is the D. Now we have to calculate the force on charge Q at B. Now look at this. The force experienced by this charge due to charge at A is directed along this direction. The force experienced by charge at B due to charge at C is directed along this direction. Okay. And force experienced by this charge due to this charge is directed along this direction. Okay. Suppose this force is F. This force also be F. Therefore, this force become F by 2 because here distance between the two charges is root 2 times then the distance between this or this and this. Okay. So resultant force, look at this, the component of F along this direction This is the F cos 45 degree. Resultant of this force along this direction, this is the also F cos 45 degree. So net force, this is the 2F cos 45 degree plus F by 2. So net force, this is the 2F cos 45 degree plus F by 2. So look at this, F by 2 common. So 1 plus 2 root 2 is the net force. So look at this option is correct. Okay. Many thanks for watching this video. This video will be extremely helpful for you for your preparation in NEET, main and advanced. Please write a comment on it because this comment will be helpful for me to make the next video for you.